Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm here on another topic in regards to keeping the JJ fresh. So yeah, if y'all want to know, follow along. Let's go.
I had to hustle for it. I had to hustle for it. I had to hustle to get to the guap. Chef with the coke when I'm whipping out the pie.
Okay, you guys, so this is a very important topic. A lot of men don't realize that they play a huge effect on a woman's vaginal smell. Yeah, I'm not saying that it's the man's fault or whatever, but yeah, most of it is the man. It's not always the women, but ladies, you gotta shower, you gotta take care of yourself, you gotta eat right. You gotta shower at least twice a day. I recommend that for everyone. If you don't want to shower twice a day, at least do it once a day. Never skip a day, you guys. Ladies, never skip a day. Men, never skip a day with showering. But yeah, I want to talk to you guys about boric acid suppositories. So a lot of people don't know what that is, but if you're a woman, you should know. And if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you about it, okay? So in order to keep the area together, you have to understand that besides showering, you will have times where you will have an odor, and it may not be a fishy odor, it may not be a musty odor, it may just be some type of weird odor. Most of those odors comes from your sex partner or your hormonal changes. So if you have hormonal changes, there's nothing you can really do about it, but you can take the smell away temporarily. But if your sex partner has bad hygiene or whatever you want to call it, he don't take a shower and he just nasty like that, and you allow it, then these are some things that you're gonna have to deal with. But if you don't want to deal with that odor and you want to stay fresh, and maybe you don't have that problem, maybe you not having sex, or you are but you don't have that problem with having an odor, but you just want to smell fresh at all times. So I'm gonna tell you about three products that you must use in order to keep it fresh. First off, I'm gonna start off with soap. If you watched my last video, you know that I use Dr. Bronner's. My favorite one is the peppermint scent, but I have the eucalyptus right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this one first. So yeah, invest in Dr. Bronner's pure castile soap for the vagina area. It's safe. I've used them all. It's safe, just don't put it on the inside, you'll be fine. But if you do want to just, get in the lips or whatever and get that cleaned out, I suggest using the baby unscented version. But honestly, any Dr. Bronner soap will work. You must shower daily, ladies. This is the number one thing right here. Hot water and soap is the number one thing. You know what? Let me show y'all something else. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. I don't know if y'all ever seen these before. They're exfoliating gloves. Every time I go to Burlington, I pick them up. They're $3.99. Yeah, perfect. I freaking love these. I use these to shower with daily. Yeah, it's just better than a towel. It gives everything you need. You just, let me demonstrate this for y'all. Yeah, there you go. So you can get in now. You can do whatever you need to do with this glove. I love it. Rinse it out real good. Once you're done, hang it up, let it dry. But yeah, invest in these. These will be your best friend. I'm telling you. You will never use towels again. But let's get into these boric acids suppositories. So I was at HEB the other day, and I did not know that they have an instant rinse vaginal boric acid. This is pretty much kind of like a douche or a douche, but with boric acid. I tried it out. It's pretty cool. Let me just show you what it looks like. So you basically, I showed you at the beginning how you take it out the package. But yeah, it's pretty much like this. It's pretty much like that. Once you, use all of it, you grab it from the bottom and you push up. And you're gonna have a little bit left over. It's just the way it is. You can store it, use it another time, or you can just toss it. I have a little bit. I'm honestly not gonna use it because once I insert this and just let it out, I mean, that's it. I don't want to reinsert it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this away, but I kept it for the video purpose so you can know. What I noticed about this one is you have to be careful with it because everyone has different side effects. Me personally, I didn't like this one because it was like a douche. Like, you're gonna always leak a little bit, and you don't want just to be leaking like some type of fluid out of your vagina. And then you don't want your vagina area to be wet, because when it's wet, it causes irritation, it causes odor, it causes all the extra shit. So yeah, this right here, to me personally, I would not use again. But if you want something fast and quick and to the point, like if you just got through having sex and you just like, let me just go ahead and clean it out and then be done, go for this one. It's instant and rinses you out because you're already open anyway, and you're pretty much done if you want to try that. It is they say it's cruelty free. It's made with purified water and boric acid. Cool. Okay, me personally, I love the suppositories better. You need to do this before bedtime. When you go to bed, before you go to bed, just stick it up there. You're done. It works as you sleep. I mean, I personally like these better. Let me see. Before you insert this into your vagina, make sure your hands are clean. Remember that. Yeah, because you don't want to stick chicken grease or whatever you have up your vagina. But yeah, this is what they look like. Just one little small little peel, so you stick it up as far as you can. And yeah, before bedtime, please do not take this by mouth. It's not, no ma'am, you will die. Don't swallow this. This goes up your vagina. So yeah, you leave it in all night. I don't really know what the heck boric acid do to your vagina. I know that odor will be gone when you're done, but expect to have runny discharge. You're gonna have discharge because I don't know if the boric acid like draws from your walls or whatever and get all the smell and infection out and it drains out. That's what it feels like to me. So yeah, all that odor and all that bacteria is gonna come out. They say, let me see. It says insert one in your vagina as needed. Me personally, I wouldn't use this every day. I mean, I don't know, your lifestyle or whatever, but it's acid, so it's already not just the best thing to put up your vagina. It's not natural, but I wouldn't use it every day, but I'm telling you, it works. Like for instance, if you have sex or whatever, fall asleep and you realize like, damn, it's the next day. Some people, they hold odors or whatever. So if you want to try it like that, if that's one of the reasons, go ahead and do it. That's something that I prefer to do because I work every day and my legs are open, so I don't want none of that. So if you got a position or a job where your legs are always open, I would invest in these. These will definitely work. You will not smell a peep, let me tell you. But yeah, I do not recommend using these every day. Once a week will be great. Preferably, right after sex, because you already been doing your thing. Okay, those are the boric acid things that you should try. They have some people who sell them, their own brand, but this one, I got this from CVS. You can get it from CVS, Walgreens, yeah, any drugstore has it. Any drugstore, HEB, Walmart, anywhere. And I believe I paid $10 for these. So yeah, it's cool. Another thing, ladies, that you must. If you are heavier or you're a, you know, a thickety thick lady like myself, invest in these right here, panty liners. Yeah, I wear these every day, every freaking day. Okay, you guys, I wear this every day because you sweat down there. Yeah, I mean, to me, heavier ladies are just wet. I don't know. To me, I don't know a heavy lady that's dry. So this right here will keep your underwear dry. Yeah, you don't have to worry about stains in your underwear or anything like that, because these panty liners pretty much catches all of that drip. You know what I mean? In case you get, you know, too much information because my mama watching. But yeah, invest in these if you're on the heavier side or if you're not. If you're having sex, let me just say that, if you're having sex, invest in these. If you're not, you should be fine. But if you're having sex, you definitely need panty liners, and it will eliminate odors, and it will catch anything that's coming from your vagina. But yeah, what else can I say? That's about it, y'all. That's about it for boric acid suppositories. But you know what, let me tell you another thing about the boric acid. If you suffer with BV, yeast infections, of course vaginal odors, anything with the vagina, it is good to use boric acids if you don't want to take pills, because if you catch a yeast infection, we all know, or BV, they give you antibiotics to, you know, kill it, but it overkills the good bacteria as well as the bad. So you just be all out of whack, and then you get a yeast infection. So if you know that you get BV a lot, or bacterial vaginosis, if you know you get that a lot, or whoever you're with, their hygiene is not up to par, or you just want to feel fresh at all times, boric acid is definitely the right way to go. And again, you guys, I am not a doctor, but yeah, I just go from what I know, and I would prefer you guys use this once a week, especially after your period. It just takes everything out, and that little hormone smell that comes with your cycle before and after, this right here just knocks it all out. So yeah, go ahead and invest in these. And I am not paid by PhD Feminine Health. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just telling you guys about boric acid if you want to try it. But yeah, you guys, if you like this video and you want to know about anything else with hygiene or feminine health, go ahead and drop those comments below. I have a few more videos that I want to do in regards to vaginal health. And you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.